So, remember on all these, just like we practiced on the lesson just now, on the examples, we're going to use multiplicative inverse, reciprocal only. So, try to use these other methods you might know. This is the method of using the practice. So, this is going to be considered 1 over 12m, right? And we can rewrite this as below 1 over 12. This simple little adjustment here is come in handy an awful lot. Just knowing that dividing by 12 is the same thing as multiplying by 1/12. Will help you immensely. And then multiply by the reciprocal. And if you prefer, like with the 9, you don't have to do this, but if you like it, you can put a make it over 1 as well. But it's the same thing as that. We have that equals 1 multiplied by 12, and then 1 divided by 1 is 1, so 1s equals 9 over 1 times 12 over 1, which is the same as 9 times 12. 9 times 12 is 100. And if you're up for it, you can do a check. Because 108 divided by 12 equal 9. And then just simplify, don't multiply both sides by 12, so we just divide these two and you get 9 equals 9. And do the same number on both sides, so you know 100% correct. Not bad right here. You see how short of a check this is? And for the reward you get for 100%, pretty good. So let's do a few more. How about number 9? That's a good one. We have 2 over 1, and that 9's kind of in the way. I'm just going to cross it out so I don't mix it up for being part of the problem. So the reciprocal of 2 over 1 is 1 over 2. Two divided by 2. 1. So we have 1 n. And then over here we'll have a negative. I can see a negative here, so I don't want to get that. Negative 9 times 1. And the bottom is 2 times 2. 4. Can that be reduced? Yep. So, final answer. If you like, do a check. 2 times negative 9 over 4, does that equal, checking it, does that equal negative 9 over 2? And you can see that, yeah, 2 goes into 4 2 times, so now we have negative 9 over 2 equals negative 9 over 2.
We have to do the check.
Let's do the check for, let's say, every multiples of, let's see, 3? Multiples of 3. 1, 3, 6, 9, 12. Let's do every third. Every third. Okay, just a few more. Flipping over to the back. Now, for something like number 13, I recommend just rewriting it so you have the space to do the work, just because the number here is of the problem that's in the way a little bit. So rewrite it a little bit, and then also, if the variable is mixed with the coefficient, remove it. So take that x, just like we did on the lesson there, just kind of move it away from your coefficients, so that way they're not all mixed up when you try to cancel out. So find the coefficient, that would be 3 over 4, so you can do the reciprocal of 3 over 4. So we can do this on the left. The variable can be on the left or the right, but you have to always be on the left. 4 divided by 4 cancels out, equals 1. 3 divided by 3 cancels out, equals 1. We're left with 1x. Yeah, 1x. Notice I'm still trying to line things up vertically as much as possible. Equal signs, the variables, everything I can. 4 goes into 20 5 times. 3 goes into 9 3 times. So I get an answer of 3 over 5. Yes. And this is the kind of stuff that when you're saying, do I have to check, do I have to check? This is why you want to do the check, which is 10 seconds of work. And you'll make sure that you didn't forget a negative. So let's say I didn't catch that negative and I went to do my check. It would look like this. And right away, without even continuing, I would notice that, wait a minute, the right-hand side is positive, the left-hand side is negative. This can't be the right answer. I know the right-hand side has to be negative, so something's wrong, and then you go back and you find, oh yeah, there was a negative right there, my answer should be negative. Now I'll fix the check, and now it does equal negative 9 over 20, and I do have the right answer. So we're not trying to do these to get done just to write something. We're doing these to be correct. Why write all this and then just on the test or quiz get a 0? You know, all of that, you know, all this stuff, so much of it, but then you get no credit whatsoever because, well, I don't like checking. That takes me 10 seconds and I want to be done 10 seconds after. Do a check just to make sure for your sake, not because I'm telling you. I'm giving guidelines, you know, check every third. But for 10 seconds of problem, you can have A+ on every test and quiz. You know, that's a pretty good trade-off. Pretty good trade-off. So don't be afraid of doing a little extra work. All right. And this is already fully reduced. Let me go 3 over 5. Please continue to box your answers or circle in some fashion so it's very clear what you want to do. Okay. When it comes down to like the decimals, as I mentioned earlier, like number 21, I'll rewrite it so it's not mixed up. You can just use this as over 1, and it still works exactly the same. So my reciprocal will be 1 over negative 3.5. And do that to both sides. And you might need a calculator. So this is an answer. You can do it by hand, but I'm not requiring you to do that. Even if you get home and you don't have a calculator, do the algebra. Remember, this is the algebra. This is the class you're in. That's what I really, really, really need to see for sure. If you have the wrong decimal answer, it's like, okay, so it's just a calculator issue. Not as concerned. But you showing me this part means you're learning algebra, and I understand that you're learning what you need to. So keep that in mind. And you know that those cross off to the equal 1. That's also algebra. This is the multiplicative inverse. And so much of this problem right here is not about the answer, the arithmetic. If you can type in 16.1 divided by 3.5 in a calculator, great. I'm not really testing you on that in this class. You guys can just do that as you need. I know the answer is negative because it's a negative 3.5, but I'll let you guys figure out what the rest is. So if all else fails, if you ever come across you and you say, well, I didn't have a calculator, couldn't get the answer, you can see how much of the problem you can still do even without the calculator. You can do all the algebra and then just come in real fast, follow someone's calculator, finish it, and you know, really fast with no problems. You still do most of it without the calculator. All right, so 2 things to be graded on. Number 1 is completeness, but number 2, this is a biggie. You must, for this assignment, use reciprocals for every problem. So if we don't see this on every problem, that means you are not completing the assignment. correctly. If you are doing this at any point, this is not what we want today. If you're doing this and like, oh, I do it this way and that's my, okay, understand. But for this one, just this one, we're going to try to learn something new because it'll actually be better for you in the long run. So just trust me on that. No dividing on both sides just yet. Okay, you have a few minutes. You can try one more problem by yourself and see how it goes before we leave.